Greetings. Here's a quick preview of Ruby, a brand new subdivision by Lennar, now under construction in the FivePoint Valencia community of Santa Clarita. This presentation is brought to you by your local real estate professionals, Matt Meray Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group. Ruby is situated at the northwest corner of Middleton Street and Magic Mountain Parkway. As shown in the aerial clips, it's right next door to the new Opal neighborhood. Once both areas are complete, the two will blend together as one neighborhood. As of July 2025, the model homes are nearly finished and more homes are in various stages of construction. When completed, Ruby will include about 67 two-story paired homes, each sharing one sidewall with a neighbor, but with no one above or below. Sizes range from roughly 1,975 to 2,546 square feet, with 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 bathrooms, a laundry room, and a 2-car garage. Some plans include a loft or a den, and the largest model offers a unique private upstairs living space. Residents in Ruby will enjoy resort-style amenities at nearby Confluence Park, just a few blocks north. There you'll find multiple pools, a hot tub, shaded lounge areas, and more. Plus, residents have access to nearby parks, a community garden, and miles of trails. As with other neighborhoods here, there are monthly HOA fees and an annual Melrose. To find current home listings and learn more about schools and local conveniences, visit us at GregoryRealEstateGroup.com. You'll also find comprehensive guides on just about every other community in Santa Clarita. And one last thing, if you're planning to buy here or in any new development, be sure to contact us before visiting or signing up with the builder. That way, we can represent you and help protect your best interests every step of the way. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, when you work with us, there's never any sales pressure, ever. See you next time. Bye now.